Ever looked at those sleek ETF portfolios promising diversification and easy investing and wondered, what's the catch? Specifically, what are the fees involved, especially if you're using a platform like Questrade? That's what we're diving into today. Investing can feel like navigating a minefield of hidden costs. Brokerage fees, trading commissions, management expense ratios, it can be overwhelming. And understanding these costs is crucial because they directly impact your returns. Imagine diligently saving and investing, only to see a significant chunk of your profits eaten away by fees you didn't even know existed. That's a scenario we want to avoid. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, have gained immense popularity as a low-cost, diversified investment vehicle. They offer exposure to a basket of assets, like stocks, bonds, or commodities, all within a single fund. This diversification can significantly reduce risk compared to investing in individual stocks. But low cost doesn't mean no cost. So, let's zero in on Questrade and explore the fee structure for buying and selling ETFs. Questrade is a popular online brokerage platform in Canada, known for its competitive pricing and user-friendly interface. It's often a go-to choice for DIY investors looking to manage their own portfolios. But are there fees for buying ETFs on Questrade? The short answer is, it's a bit more nuanced than a simple yes or no. Here's the key: Questrade offers commission-free ETF purchases. Yes, you read that right. You can buy ETFs on Questrade without paying any trading commissions. This is a significant advantage, especially for those who invest regularly or use a dollar-cost averaging strategy. Imagine buying small amounts of ETFs every month. If you were paying a commission on each purchase, those costs would quickly add up and eat into your returns. With Questrade's commission-free ETF purchases, you avoid this pitfall. Now, before you think it's all sunshine and rainbows, there are a couple of important things to keep in mind. While buying ETFs is commission-free, selling them is not. When you sell your ETF shares on Questrade, you will be charged a commission. This commission is typically a small amount, but it's still a cost to consider. Questrade's commission structure is generally competitive, but it's essential to be aware of it. So, you buy for free, but you pay when you sell. This is the core concept to understand. This model encourages long-term investing as the cost is only incurred when you exit a position. This is beneficial as it prevents frequent trading, as this would incur costs each time a trade was made. Another crucial aspect to understand is the management expense ratio, or MER. The MER is an annual fee charged by the ETF provider to cover the costs of managing the fund. This fee is not charged by Questrade, but it's an inherent cost associated with owning any ETF. The MER is expressed as a percentage of the fund's assets and is deducted directly from the fund's returns. It's essential to research the MER of any ETF you're considering investing in, as it can significantly impact your overall returns over time. For example, an ETF with an MER of 0.1% will cost you $1 per year for every $1,000 invested. While this might seem small, it compounds over time. An ETF with a 1% MER will cost you $10 per year for every $1,000 invested. This is a considerable difference and highlights the importance of choosing low-cost ETFs. So, to recap, Questrade offers commission-free purchases of ETFs, which is a huge advantage. However, there are commissions on selling ETFs, and you'll always need to consider the MER charged by the ETF provider. Now, let's address some common questions people have about ETF fees on Questrade. First, are there any account maintenance fees on Questrade? Questrade offers various account types, and some may have minimum balance requirements or inactivity fees. However, if you maintain a certain balance or actively trade, you can often avoid these fees. It's crucial to research the specific account type you're considering and understand its fee structure. Second, are there any fees for transferring ETFs into or out of Questrade? Generally, transferring assets between brokerages can incur fees either from the sending or receiving institution. Questrade may reimburse transfer fees under certain conditions, so it's worth checking their policies if you're considering transferring assets. Third, does Questrade offer any discounts on commissions? Questrade sometimes offers promotions or discounts on commissions, especially for active traders. It's always a good idea to check their website or contact their customer service to see if any current offers are available. Let's illustrate with a quick example. Let's say you want to invest $10,000 in an ETF with an MER of 0.05%. You buy the ETF on Questrade, incurring no commission. After 1 year, assuming the ETF's value remains the same, you will pay $5 in MER fees. $10,000 x 0.05% equals $5. If you then decide to sell the ETF, you'll pay a commission to Questrade based on their commission schedule. This example highlights the two main costs associated with ETF investing on Questrade, the MER, which is an ongoing cost, and the selling commission, which is a one-time cost when you exit your position. Understanding the fee structure is crucial for making informed investment decisions. By taking advantage of Questrade's commission-free ETF purchases and choosing low-cost ETFs, you can significantly reduce your investment costs and maximize your returns over the long term. Remember, investing involves risk, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research and consider consulting with a qualified financial advisor before making any investment decisions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.